I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees C and line two 20 cm pans so the temperature is stable. Once done, cream 200 g butter with 200 g sugar until pale. This traps air and gives lift. Next, add 3 eggs one at a time so the batter emulsifies. This prevents curdling. Fold in 250 g flour and 1 tsp vanilla gently. Make sure to stop when just combined to keep the cake tender. Once the pans are filled, bake for 20-25 minutes. Use a skewer to check. Clean means done. While the cake's cool, prepare Swiss meringue buttercream. Whisk 4 egg whites with 200 g sugar over a bain-marie until warm, then whip to stiff peaks and incorporate 300 g softened butter for stability. Divide the buttercream into 3 portions and tint progressively lighter blues with gel. This gives a smooth ombre used for Elsa's icy look, and gel keeps vibrancy without thinning. You assemble by leveling both layers, brushing with simple syrup if the crumb looks dry, and stacking with a generous layer of blue buttercream between them for adhesion. Once stacked, apply a thin crumb coat and chill 20 minutes. This seals crumbs so the final ombre finish stays clean. Smooth the final coat with a hot spatula, add fondant snowflakes and pearl dust for shine. If the buttercream splits or looks greasy, chill briefly, then re-whip the frosting to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.